March 6, 2020 marked Rampart High School's annual Bald for Bucks Assembly, bringing people of all different backgrounds together for a greater cause.
Bald for Bucks is our annual assembly to support the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. We've been doing it for, 11 years now, and we get schools from all over the community and parents, and we shave a few hundred heads and raise a few $1,000 every year.
I started Bald for Bucks honestly by accident. A good friend of mine and a Rampart teacher, Miss Penny Sanford, was battling breast cancer that had returned for the fourth time, had spread to the liver and throughout her body. I made an offhanded comment that we should just shave our heads as a sign of support, and within a day, the entire community was behind the campaign.
I think it's something that every single person, no matter who you are, what age you are, what your background is, everybody has some special connection to it, and when they leave Rampart, that's what they take with them.
People from all over the community in all different ages decide to shave their head, donate hair, or give time in the fight against cancer.
I started doing it because I went to high school here, and this was always my favorite day of the year, and it means a lot to me, and I just wanted to give back.
My biggest call to do it initially was I felt like I wanted to do something more outside of myself. And I've had a lot of family who has gone through cancer treatments, lost their hair. It was a show of support to those who suffer from cancer, but then through it I kind of discovered it was more of a drive to show young women that bald is beautiful.
Well, during the summer in August, my dad was diagnosed with throat cancer, and I got really broken down because of it. So I decided, okay, I'm gonna shave my hair because people like my dad who are gonna go through that.
I believe that all of us at some point are going to have a family member, friend, somebody that we know is going to have cancer, and I think that by putting ourselves in a position to give back, we only win.
Cancer affects families and communities universally, and it's important to come together as a community to do something about it.
Well, it's important just to kind of show your support because there's so many people around the world and in our own community who have been affected by cancer. So just show your support and know that there's people who care about them. I think it's a great cause.
People should not just feel weird for just being the one person who has a bald head or really short hair.
It's something for us to all rally around. It defines really the best parts of what it means to be a Ram at Rampart. And it's something that's so easy to give. It's just hair. It's a few dollars here and there, but it amounts to so much more.
Because a lot of people are affected by it, and it's usually younger kids, and it's not fair for them to go through something like that so young.
I think it's important because many people who have cancer believe that they're not going to fit in because they don't have hair. If they don't think they're not going to fit in, they're not. I'm going to be with them so they're not alone.
I mean, you look at the mass outreach, you look at the community support, how many people we bring into this gym every single year, how much money we push out of this gym every year. This is bigger than us, it's bigger than ourselves, it's bigger than just these hallways and these students. We reach people that we would never think we would come across. Our hero families or people across the globe that put Rampart in their sentences because they're talking about how much money we raise and how successful we are. We do things that are just unheard of. I love everything that we do. The impact that we have it's just unbelievable.
This year's assembly marks almost $500,000 given by the Rampart community to cancer research. Thank you for being a part of what makes Rampart, Rampart. This is Hadassah Nix signing off.